How to fix Binance verification failed. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Binance. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update it. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into apps. Head over to the application Binance. Tap on storage and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Binance verification failed. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.